Hello guys, hello. Well, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Well, not a recommendation to buy or to sell any equity. This particular video is for entertainment purposes and educational only. However, I have some interesting stocks that I really want to share with you guys. These stocks are stocks that have been beaten down so much that I'm expecting a form of a bounce back to the upside. There will be four stocks. We only have four stocks. I have four stocks to give you today. Okay, four stocks. Now, looking at the market first, what is happening in the market is simple. I predicted the price of SPY S&P 500 ETF that our price target is going to be $400 per share when it was trading around the 380 383 area. That was my prediction because I saw that our RSI is still within 50%, and also we have some decent amount of volume coming in. So that was my prediction. Now we're getting to a spot whereby the RSI is at 72, which is getting a bit extended. Okay, so I don't mind. I'm okay if we pull back to 405 or $400 area again. It is possible. Okay, so just keep an eye on it. Whatever you're doing, just know that the market might pull back at any point in time. Okay, I'm not talking about market crash. I'm just saying there will be a pullback coming as soon as we get extended a little bit. Overall, let me dive into the plays. We have four stocks, and four stocks. The first one is going to be QDL. QDL. This stocks has been on I don't know what to say, but this stock has been consolidating lower for a long period of time. This is a consolidation here. We consolidated lower, consolidated lower, consolidated. So what are we gonna do here? Maybe we're expecting a consolidation lower again, right? But overall, we are making some form of a bottom right here. Okay, so every time we push here, we keep bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off. I'm just gonna be looking for a 10, 20 or 30 points on this name, QDEL. Okay, overall I think we can get a bounce on the name. Let me see the um let's see, retracement here. Okay, so I do like the 150 area as well. If we break this 140, 150, and then we'll keep pushing higher on the name. Okay, so yes, so this one I do like it. If you want to talk about trend, this is a trend. Okay, let's look at Finviz and see what the stock is doing on Finviz. QDEL. Okay, same thing. We're way down here. Resistance is gonna be that 150 area, like I said. Our market cap is 5 billion. Income is 810 million. We have sales of 1.66 billion. Book to cash 31. Let's see. Institutional ownership is 82%. Shares float is 37, which gives us the opportunity for a quick bounce on this name. Overall performance for the year is 31%, up 31%. So price target 224. So we are around 123. Last time we had in January an upgrade by Raymond James. So That's another thing. uh Over the counter 15 minutes COVID tests are coming to a store near you, and this is how much they will cost. QDEL Sophia SARS antigen test received emergency use authorization for screening use with serial testing. That was in April 1st. So they had an authorization. That's the reason why it did push higher the other day. Let's look at that again. Let's see here. Yes. So that was the reason why it did push higher on that name and got rejected on the trend and on the resistance as well. So I'll keep my eye on this one. I do like it for the long term. It's not for short term. Okay, I need this move. The last time the stock was is the high of the stock, looking at the since 2020, like about 52 weeks, like 288.7. So I'm also expecting some form of a pullback on this stock. We break this area and then we'll be able to test this. If we hold, test the other one just like that, on QDEL. The next stock I will be talking about for a potential bounce is going to be LHDX. Okay, this one has been on the way down for quite a while now. Overall on this name, we have double bottom right now on the stock. So let's assume this is going to be our support. Okay, if we check, let's see what the retracements might be around here, but around $13. Let's see what the retracement would be looking at it from the top. The highest was $38, $37.99. So right now we're trading around $8. So let's see. Okay, we can retrace back. First resistance is going to be around this area, which is the $11-12, and next is $14.50, and then we'll push higher, maybe immediate resistance around the $16.54. So I do like the way the chart is right now. We have double bottom, so maybe we have a double bottom like this, then we'll push higher a little bit. That's what I'm looking for. We have double bottom, we push higher. I'm looking for double bottom and a push higher. Well, we have a little bit of a buy volume that came in. Overall, I do like it. There's also a trend you can see here as well. We have this trend, so we can push higher above this 1050. We should be good. Overall, I like it for a long-term swing, not just a short term. Okay, and I won't be scared even if we dip down a little bit. VERX, that's another one I'll be looking at too. Right now we have about close to about double bottom. The last time we did the double bottom, we pushed higher. Okay, we did a double bottom here, we push higher, double bottom, but close to about being a double bottom, because we have our support right here and then we push higher. Double bottom, we push higher, double bottom, we push higher, close to about being double bottom here. So I'm expecting a push on VERX as well. Nothing really interesting on this name other than there was a top rating downgrade. There was a downgrade from Morgan Stanley. The lower profit target to $18 from $22. Well, that's fine. I'll be looking for, maybe like get me like 100 shares, or start off with 50 shares or something. But I think maybe like 100 shares will do, and see if we can start bouncing back up, because it's really over sold. If we can look, let's see on stock chart. Okay, so you see we're like 33.60. We're like 33.60, and right now we're just leveling it off on MACD. So I do like it. Volume wise, we have volume. The last traded was 415k. So that's above our standard minimum or our minimum in terms of volume. So because I look for stock above 250,000 shares traded for the day, so that is really above our criteria. Next one is going to be REPX. This one, man, oh my, oh my. Well, looking at this chart, you think that, oh my gosh, they did a split, some kind of some form of a split or something, but this was as a result of what? Let's find out. This was on February 26th. So February 26th, there was something that has to do with, yes. They announced a reverse stock split. Major expected to close on February 26th. So that was the reason for that drop down here. So they did a reverse stock split on this name. Okay, it was crazy. But anyways, right now looks like we gain momentum. I cannot see it here on the daily. Let's look at the weekly on this one. Okay, I kind of clean a little bit, so we just need to break this level right here. Okay, if we can break this level, we should be able to hold. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, also we'll see it clearly. Okay, so pretty much this is the area we broke and we pull back and close underneath. So it's still bearish for now on this name. If we can hold this area and consolidate around the $30 and hold this area, I think we should be able to push back up again. Looking at it from what, $25 all the way to $45, that is a crazy move. So if we can consolidate around here, I think we should be able to push again. It may not be done yet. Okay, now let's go back to our daily and look at the last one. The bonus one is going to be CLSK. For CLSK, this is called Clean Spark. Clean Spark sees receiving equipment related to mining server purchased in summer 2021. So pretty much it's all about crypto mining and all that on Clean Spark. So what I will be looking for on this name is for a trend to break. This is the trend I have, and this is my resistance. So I need us to just keep consolidating around this area higher, and then as we start making new highs, I think we'll be able to break, reclaim the 20 moving average, and then we push higher on the name. So this is these are the stocks I will be picking some shares and holding for a long time, because I'm expecting a bounce on the name. Like I said, is LHDX, QDEL, VERX, and REPX. Okay, anyways, have your fantastic weekend and enjoy. Bye bye.